Nadulahair coming to you with another video. As you can see, I got started without y'all putting this thing here on. And I love y'all. I'm just letting y'all know right now how my makeup looks is as good as it's gonna get. It's not gonna be like my other videos where like it come back and I'm just like bloom. No, it's gonna look like this. Go check out the video where I made this wig initially. This is not a full frontal wig, this is a closure, and all of the information for this company is going to be left in the description box below.
Whatever they have to say, my heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do?
Really quick, one question was like, how does the hair look if you don't like customize it, or like if you don't clip stuff, pluck it? And this is how it looks if you don't pluck it. But why would you want your part to look like that? Because nobody's part is that thin and it's not cute. So don't be worried about what it look like if it's not plucked, because it's not cute if it's not plucked. So just
I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way. Falling, yes I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling, but you can take it all away. 'Cause I am yours forever. No one can love you better. Tell me, is it you and me now? Maybe I win, maybe.
So I'm not saying that I'll do anything different than anybody else, but I like to slide cut when I'm cutting extensions. All slide cutting means is you hold your shears downward and then you just keep going across. And I don't know how other people are. I'm just speaking for myself, because I know all the like national hairstylists of the world that haven't found the time to start their own YouTube channel. They just want to come on mine and be instructors. They always have something to say if I don't explain things perfectly, so I'm not going to do that right now. But I literally just take them like this and I open and close it. But I'm cutting mainly with like this part of the shears, like the inner part of the shears is what's going to do your slide cutting. And what this is going to do is create layers of elevation, which at the end of the day is all layers are. If we were doing this on natural hair, you would just bring it all the way up to a certain angle to create the layers. But in this case, I'm going to do slide cutting, and it's going to give me layers. Oh, I almost poked myself in the eye. It's going to give me layers in the exact place that I want them. Okay? Okay.
If only you could see